Echoes of Empire. In the wake of the Osama killing, in the outskirts of Islamabad, Pakistan, grumblings have been heard by U.S. think tankers and various other talking heads about Pakistan's alleged double game with the U.S. and its alleged duplicity in the so-called War on Terror. But such a reading is notoriously short-sighted and one-sided, and it ignores the old maxim that nations have no friends, only interests. And all nations play double and sometimes triple games. Oh, they talk of allies and friends, but they are but words. They mean subjects or servants. Consider this when next you hear some suit blab about the War on Terror. On September 10th, 2002, a Democratic congressman named Jim McDermott said the following on CNN's Crossfire. But you've got to remember that of American policy, we put the Taliban there. We gave the money. We funded the Taliban through the Pakistanis. And all that money, we could have cut off that money and stopped what was going on. We knew what was going on there. All we wanted was a stable, quiet Afghanistan so we could put a pipeline down there, through there. That's really what we were up to. This means that the Taliban, the forerunner of Al-Qaeda, was a creation of the CIA, the ISI, Pakistani intelligence, and MI6, British intelligence. Pakistan wanted it as a buffer against Pashtun power in Afghanistan and as a potential tool of war against India. And the Americans and British wanted a weapon against the Soviet-backed government in Kabul. Have we forgotten how an addle-pated Ronald Reagan compared the Taliban Mujahideen to our founding fathers because of their ferocity against the Russians? Stephen Kinzer, in his 2006 book, Overthrow, quotes an Afghan secularist telling the Americans, for God's sake, you're financing your own assassins. The Taliban gave birth and sustenance to Al-Qaeda, and the rest is history. The wars since then have also been of U.S. creation for dominance, not democracy, for oil markets, not free markets, for resources, not for human rights. From Death Row, this is Mumia Abu Jamal. These commentaries are recorded by Noel Hanrahan of Prison Radio.